back already. I know, like, and we're joined by two very special guests.
Yes. It's us. Hee hee.
Okay, Bendy, Mart, we're back. We're back without Alpha 3.
You mean the Acts 3?
No, we're playing Alpha. I'm kidding. We are playing the Acts, guys. Akatua 3, same day. We recorded like an hour ago, and then we're back to... Okay, well, we left off here.
Yep.
You know what? There's two umbrellas. I am going to save this red umbrella. It helps us glide. Right? Okay, we're gonna...
Binoculars.
Why would you... Well, that's gonna be there just in case. And we are... Mart, that's you! Look at your big old booty! Okay. Wait, you can actually pick these up? Oh, can I... Oh, can I get in this house? Can I get in this house? Wait, you know what? Crouch.
I saw you.
Darn it! I thought we would get away with it. Whoa.
Hey guys, I heard that there was a psychopathic ink monster.
Okay.
And
Spider-Man!
Is that true?
Yes, it's true!
Leave a like if it's true. Now get off my toe.
Okay, well...
He didn't notice us, Bendy. Yes, I did. Stop right there. I'm gonna spray you with my web.
Spider-Man! What are you even talking about in life anymore?
I'm trying to catch the ink monster
Uh-huh.
remote. Got you.
Well, guys, last time we left off,
Leave a like.
Mart actually helped us open this little thing.
Yes, I did. Look, guys, leave a like to save us. Spider-Man tied us together. Help.
Okay, Bendy and Mart.
Thank you guys for leaving a like.
Guys, Bendy, they didn't leave a like yet.
Ah!
We need to leave a like in 5, 4,
Oh, be stuck
3,
like this forever.
2, 1. You guys liked. Okay, they're free.
Oh, we're free.
Okay,
See, he's gone.
Bendy, move. Whoa! Oh, and that bird. There is another umbrella somewhere. Ah! Top of the world. We just got an achievement for flight. Oh my god, I almost got hit by a car.
Fly.
I just got an achievement for flying. Top of the world. I think you get that achievement if you go up really high in the sky. I got launched and I got the top of the world achievement. It's our side of the road. That was great. I need to get upstairs. So move. Thank you.
Guys, you also left a like, so now I'm stuck in my own webs.
Yeah, that's what you get for messing with our friends, Spider-Man. That's what you get for messing with our friends. Right, Bendy? Right, Mart?
Yeah.
That's what you get.
Yes. Now you're gonna go in my basement.
Okay. There is
He just threw Spider-Man in his basement.
Oh, we need... Okay. Well, Bendy, Mart, Bronson, there's another umbrella.
Yes.
And it's my favorite color, blue umbrella. So I'm going to use that, and that red umbrella's downstairs just in case. Like this one gets lost. Okay, well, Mart helped us get the golden apple picture frame. Hidden Easter egg. No, that's not an Easter egg. You actually need to do this. Right, Mart?
Yes.
Oh, umbrella.
I knew that because it's my game.
Yeah, duh. Okay, well, Bronson, we need to figure out how to get into this man's basement.
Guys, in the old Hello Neighborhood, he used to have a teddy bear.
Why is there an elevator here? Is there a way to open that elevator?
I don't know. Cause guys, I play it on my account.
Whoa!
Guys,
You can get through!
Cause guys, this is a PS4, so I have my account and Lennon's account on my account.
Guys, look at this. Look, Bronson, look. Ha! Crouch.
On my account, me and
What's this
Lynn
do?
are at the same spot.
What is this? Oh! Okay, I definitely do not want to do that. Because what if Evil Mark comes in here? Okay, so we can't do that. We can go to the birthday room. Or miss it. I'm going to eat this pizza. Oh. No, eat it.
It's a pizza clock.
What's this? Is that the elevator?
It looks like
Mar, why are you hiding an elevator? Why are you hiding a lever to an elevator?
I got out because all my webs. I got out of his basement, guys. Whew. Take away all his webs. Oh no! Back into his basement.
Okay, well, is there a way to hit this lever? What should I get rid of? Well, you know what, let's... Oh, darn it. I need like a little bit... I need like a little...
Ha! I still have my super...
Bendy! Hey, I mean Mark.
Yes.
Do we have any little things at our house to put in the... Apple! Okay, well, you keep locking Spider-Man in the basement.
With Batman?
Yes. Because they're trying to stop you guys.
Because look, it's Batman. See? I'm here.
Okay, well, Bronson,
Huh?
I think we'll be able to hit this elevator door. Look. Look, Bronson.
Yeah!
Yes! I think that's how... Yeah, it's opened. Bronson, you're not even paying attention.
Yes, I am. I saw her.
You're helping. You're helping.
I'm getting in the basement. No.
Yeah, now pay attention. Okay, well, we're climbing up the elevator. Ooh. What's this? What's up here?
Do you remember the waddle?
What do you mean? How would I remember?
Well, maybe because I watch Hello Neighbor.
Yeah, but then you should know what to do.
I know.
Did Mart tell you?
Yeah.
Mart!
Sorry.
You told Bronson there was water up here. Bronson, we don't even know how to play the game. Bronson, we don't even know how to play the game. How would you know? Mart, you told him, didn't you?
Yes.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What the? Oh, okay, I can open this. Emergency rod Payune.
Rod from
Ice
Ice
cream.
Cream? Is that who you're talking Who we talking about?
Who we talking about now? Okay, so, wait, can I hit these boxes with a box? Is the actual, like, boom! Can I grab a box, like, can I grab some boxes and, like, stack it up, like, so I can get up there? Grab it! Yes! Okay, I got one. Mark!
Yes.
When it's a lot hot, you have an indoor swimming pool, don't you, upstairs?
Oh, yeah, I
Or
do.
when it's hot, you just go take a bathe in that.
Oh, yes, I do.
What the? Hey! Mark! What is this?
It's a magnet
No, it's not.
with the green key.
What? You just took my magnet gun! Okay, you're not helpful. You're not helpful right now. When I need help, you better tell me.
No, okay, I'll tell you because he told me. So you need to get onto the roof and jam it. Jam the thing.
Mark, can you please stop telling us that's spoiling it?
What did you say? Sorry. You have to
Bronson, if Mark tries to tell you something,
do that.
no, if Mark tries to tell you something, ignore him.
I meant cover his mouth.
Mark,
Yes.
uncover his mouth, Bronson.
Yes.
Mark, stop telling us stuff. Got it?
Fine. Just eat my
Snow cone.
Yeah. See, I'm eating
Well, why
snow
is the
cone.
glow with the earth in there, Bronson?
I have no idea. He never told me about that.
Mark, you better not tell us.
I will. I'll tell.
That's what I thought, Mark. Okay, uncover him. Uncover him.
Now, I told you.
What did you say now?
You guys didn't hear me fine. I'll say it loud.
Okay, let's play the game. Can I even hit it? No, I couldn't. Okay. Okay, Bronson, put Mark down or something.
I'm sorry if I'm not.
Oh!
Where are you? Where are you? I'll check in you.
Okay, Mart, stop. Oh my gosh, the apple, look. Okay. There's TV. Oh! Okay. I have my umbrella open just in case. Mart, stop climbing up the tripod!
No!
What's this?
Ow.
Whoa! What's this?
It's a train track.
Yeah, obviously, I can see that. What's that? There's a dummy!
Yes! You didn't know I had mannequins?
Exactly. We just played your shopping level like 2 hours ago. Right, Bronson?
Yeah.
I hear apples or something. I hear a shooter. Apple shooter. Mart told me about that. Didn't you, Mart?
Ah, yes I did.
Mart told me that if we heard some bop, 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 that's an apple shooter.
He said that's a turn on the train now. To me.
Mart, stop. Last thing. Okay. Can we? I don't believe you. That's a broken. Bronson, he's tricking you.
Click the button.
See? Oh! Bronson, you don't look shocked at all. He could have been tricking you. Mart, if you tell us one more thing, you're grounded. For a year.
Ah!
Got it?
I'm actually surprised you survived that.
Okay, just throw it in our face.
Oh.
What was that?
Wait.
Ah! Oh, here.
Get off of me.
Shh. You're climbing up behind him.
I can catch you, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I can climb back down.
I know you're not stupid.
Ah.
Neymar, stop talking. Okay, what do I do with the mannequin? You know what? You're gonna drive my car. You're gonna be the driver. Really?
He never told me about the dummies. Okay, now about
Shush!
You have to-
Nothing in his mailbox, as we've already said.
There.
Why? That's it. I'm throwing an apple at your butt.
Tell him the umbrella getting stuck in his butt.
Wait, the music's playing.
Yeah, because he knows where you are.
Yeah, but he's not climbing down.
Yeah, because he has to get up all the way, and then he flies like a tick.
A tick? I hope he flew
Like-
out of the map.
Why is there a super cat painting?
Super cat painting.
Look down there. There's a super cat painting.
Dun, da, da, da.
Then there's another one.
Okay, that's pretty weird. Okay, well, we turn the train on.
Oh, I see train tracks. What the?
Wait, guys, there's like a waterfall black effect on the screen. If I look over here. Well,
Made it. Get ran over by the train.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer. Was trying to escape the neighbor. They can say there's no such thing as Bendy. Get out of the way, you little haber. With Mart. Okay,
Ow, that
well,
hole.
this looks like another job for the French. For the French. Wrenches were all made in France.
Guess what?
Kaboom.
Guess what?
Press
Won
what?
it.
What, please? What, fireman, Sonny?
The neighbor told me about that.
Oh! I hate seeing the view of your butt, Mark.
The neighbor told me about that game. He said there was 2 more mini games, like the shopping.
Oh. What are the mini games? He doesn't know? Did he tell you?
No, he just said there's 2 more.
Oh, okay. So he told you we completed 1.
Yes. So there's 2 more.
He's gone. It's not. His butt's not hogging. His butt's still hogging the elevator. Mart, please stop.
I'm eating an apple here.
I'm not talking to you.
Guys, if you didn't know who I was, I'm talking.
Stop!
I think he's chasing you around.
Everybody! Stop! Just let me and Bronson play the game.
Yes, please. We just want to play the game.
My God, rest in peace.
I'm gonna go drink something.
Bye. Okay, now guys, what do we do? That door's still locked. Turn the cameras off. There's nothing down there. What do we do, guys? What is just in this room? I'm confused. We have 2 more mini games to complete. You can remove that chair. That door's locked. Ooh, glue! Glue of my very own. Oh my gosh. This glue is very fragile. Mart! I have glue too! Guys, did you see him throw glue at me? Well, I got some too. Marty, farty, you tardy. Marty, you warty, you warty. Okay, well, I turned the cameras off. Well, I'm going back up to the train tracks. Ooh, I need a red wrench. The red wrench is in there! How do we get that? How do we get in there?
Ow, it hurt, but I know how to. Don't tell us.
Marty,
Not
farty.
No, it wasn't Mo. It was
Bendy?
Fireman.
It was the fireman?
Sonny.
Why isn't Bendy talking though? Is he shy?
No, I just not talking for some reason. So here you go, I'm talking. I'm not camera.
Well, whoa! Ooh, hey train.
You thought I was camera shy?
Yes.
Why? Because I wasn't talking.
This train is broken. Can I throw something at it to get it going again?
Now it just stopped.
Wait a second. Can I actually get in this thing?
Yes.
It's broken. What? Did I disable the power? Or was that for me disabling the cameras? The camera's on. I think that broke when I disabled the cameras.
But why?
But why? What does it all mean? Whoa! Whoa! Can I glitch something in here? Like a chair. I want to see if we can glitch that lever. I don't think we're supposed to though. Okay, pick up this shoe. He picked this shoe. And these binoculars. I'm going to use the binoculars.
There you go.
Okay, we'll be...
Keys open.
Ah! Piece of cake.
Ow, what? It's me, Fireman Bob. Sonny, and that's one of the mini game keys.
Oh. I think, what is that over there? Oh no. The train seems to be broken.
I know.
I need to go back and turn the cameras back on, but that doesn't seem right. Why if you disable a camera, it disables a train? Mart, your physics, Mart,
Yes?
your game is kind of confusing, bruh.
And now it still has a little glitches in it.
True, I just glitched that lever. Mar, I just cheated the system. I glitched that lever to get the red key.
No!
You mad at me?
Yes.
I cheated this. If he's on this elevator. I hate this man.
That's what you get. That's what you get, buddy.
Whoa! I'm gonna try to get something. Guys, I'm gonna fix this train and then we're gonna end the video.
I heard when I watched Hello Neighbor.
You didn't watch Hello Neighbor! Guys, he's lying.
I'm lying, guys. Believe him. I'm lying.
Something with this train is not working right.
Maybe we need to do the thing.
What thing?
The extra thing in the thingamajig.
What is a thingamajig?
The replacement in the box.
We did buy the replacement, but it's as if something like is broken
Oh yeah, true.
and the game is not broken.
No, it's just a train.
The game works fine. Here we go. Now is the train working? Because if it is, that's weird.
Ha!
Yes, we made it. We actually did make it. Okay, well now we have to worry about the cameras. But now we have the train? Or is the train just broken? And we can't proceed through the game.
Yep, okay. We're good. Then this gem can go there.
We ain't good! Throw an alarm clock at it.
I might have. What happened? Wait, Mo, what happened?
Your game's broken, my bro.
No!
Yeah, your game is definitely broken.
No!
Throw the alarm clock at it.
That was a super food.
What happened?
Me pooping. The world's longest Lego fortress.
Something with this train is broken.
Something with that train is broken.
Yes. Whoa. What the? That was weird. How did he get up? Get the umbrella. No! Train's broken, guys. But if you did enjoy, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Subscribe button if you're new. Guys, and that we'll see you guys in the next Hello Neighbor video.